Hello guys, today I've got the Nothing Headphone A and I'm going to show you how to find your headphones. We actually have this feature built in our application called Nothing X, so you need to only install this application. So after that, when you are in your application, you need to scroll down till you see here device settings. Tap Find My Headphones and here tap this button. Well, now you have the warning. Your headphones may be in use. Be sure to remove them from your ears before you continue. A loud sound will be played which could be uncomfortable for anyone who's wearing them. Maybe not even uncomfortable, but it can damage hearing, and the consequences may be very, very bad. So I'd like to warn you also before you do it. To be honest, I don't really know if it will be a nice sound to the spot, because I don't really hear it when they are upside down, and this is not a very distinguishable sound, but that's how to find them. Goodbye.